For this week's assignment, we have to create a Google form using Google. So I'm going to pull up my web browser. I'm going to go to new tab, go to my Gmail account. I'm going to go to Google Drive, click New, Google Forms. I'm going to name it New Incoming College Students. For the first one, I'm going to do a short answer, name, and make it a requirement. Got it. Next one, I'm going to do a date and make it required, month, day, year. Add it. Hang on. Date. Add it. And then I'm going to start with my questions. I'm going to do paragraph to give them options or to be so they can give me lengthy answers if they need. Were you in any Question number 2. What was your favorite subject in high school and why? Question number 3. Do you prefer numbers or reading and writing more? Why? What is All right, so we have name, date, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Five questions. I am going to send it to myself. Include form and email and send it. And then we are going to check email. There we go. And then if I were a new incoming college student, I would fill it out, name, date, and answer all the questions. That'll be it.